Hello my dear student, welcome to my physics LCR class. Today's topic is motion in one dimension. In this topic we are going to see distance, displacement, distinction between distance and displacement. Distinction means difference. Distinction means difference. What is the distance? Here I have given a diagram. The body travel from A position to B position. It is going to travel in two ways. This way it is going to travel. Another one directly it can travel. Two way. So this path actually, this total entire path may be zigzag or some square type. Some different pattern it can travel. Okay. So distance, what is the distance? Distance is said to be the total length of the path. Total length of the path is known as distance. The body travel in a length of the path, total length of the path is known as a distance. SI unit is meter, CGS unit is centimeter. So second position, body actually move from A to B, it is a directly shortest distance. The body moves in a shortest distance from initial position to final position with a particular direction. That's why here I given a arrow mark A to B. Particular distance it is traveling, it is known as displacement. Displacement means shortest distance from initial position to final position with the particular direction. With the particular direction is known as displacement. SI unit of displacement is meter, already here written meter. Centimeter, CGS unit is centimeter. CGS unit is same here. Distance and this distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement is vector quantity. Both are having a same unit only. Meter, centimeter only. Meter, centimeter only. What is the distinction between distance and displacement? So here I given three things are there. That is the difference. One is actually magnitude of the displacement either equal or less than the distance. It is equal or less than the distance. Next, distance is always positive value. Displacement may be positive, negative, 0. 3 value it can become. Displacement may be positive, negative, 0. Third one, displacement can be 0 if the distance is not 0. I will explain, I will give an example, you can understand. First one, the magnitude of the displacement is either equal. It is equal or less than. Always magnitude of displacement less than the distance. Less than the distance. Here you just see the displacement equal to the distance. Displacement, when displacement equal to the distance, the body actually moving in a same particular direction. Body move in a particular direction. Here I given A to B, it is moving. The distance between A to B is a 4 meter. The distance between A to B is a 4 meter. So this condition only, distance and displacement equal. Distance and displacement equal. Here D giving arrow mark, no, it is a displacement, it is a distance. So both are equal, it is a 4 meter. This only one condition, both are having a equal value. Both are having a equal value. Second example, displacement less than the distance. Displacement less than the distance. Here I given two examples are given. One first example, body start from, it is starting from A position to B position. So particular this direction is going. Next actually B to it is C. B to C it is traveling. It is coming back. Always in science, physics, one direction considering as a positive, another is negative direction. Positive direction, negative direction. Here A to B considering one direction positive, it is going to return. B to C it is coming. Body B to C position it is returning back. It is going to reach the C position. It is a 2 meter. 4 meter, 2 meter. So what is the distance? What is the distance? So 4 meter plus 2 meter. So it is a 6 meter. Distance, what is the body totally travel? A to B, it is coming back C. So 4 plus 2, It is a 6 meter. It is a 6 meter. Second one, displacement. I told one direction is positive, another direction is negative. Don't think here 4 minus 2 you are giving. 4 is a positive direction, minus 2 it is coming back opposite direction. That's why here minus is denoting. Why we are giving a minus? Minus is denoting. So 4 minus 2 equal to 2 meter. 4 minus 2 equal to 2 meter. Have you understood this? The first point it is given, no? The magnitude of the displacement either equal to or less than the distance. So it is, I am splitting here, given A point and the second one is a B point. Displacement equal to distance, both bodies traveling in a particular direction, both value will equal. Distance and displacement is equal. Second one, it is less than. Here two examples are given. Displacement is less than the distance. Displacement is less than the distance. Here just to see, body moving from B position we are taking. B to A it is coming 3 meter. B to A 3 meter. Then A to B it is traveling. A to B it is traveling. So just you see, body actually travel B to A. Listen carefully. B to A it is coming. Then A to C it is travel. B to A is 3 meter. A to C is 4 meter. It is just like a triangle. Na? So what is the displacement shortest distance we are taking? We are considering displacement is the shortest distance. Now we can understand distance is, what is the distance of this body traveling? How much distance it is covered? Body B to A, then A to B it is traveling 3 meter, 4 meter. So what is the distance this body cover? 3 meter plus 4 meter, total 7 meter. Total 7 meter. Clear? Displacement is 5 meter. Displacement is 5 meter. How this 5 meter is coming? Pythagoras theorem everybody know. This class 8 in mathematics you are studying. That is BC square. BC square equal to AB squared plus AC squared. BC squared. AB squared is 3 square. AC squared is 4 square. 9 plus 16. 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. It will come 25. What is BC? So root over 25. BC equal to root over 25. It is a 5 meter. So that's why I written here. So displacement 5 meter. How displacement? Pythagorean theorem we are applying. Pythagorean theorem here we are applying. Okay. So this is first one is distance, displacement equal to distance, displacement less than to distance. So here just you see, body always, distance is always positive value. Body, this is always positive value. So this can be negative 0. How it can be positive? Means just to see the body actually moving from here to here. So we are considering it is a 4 meter is a positive value. Then body returning back or it is coming to same position. This is 4 meter. This is 4 meter. So 4 minus 4, 0 will come. So it is reaching 0. Or this body actually moving here, it is a 6 meter. 6 meter. So what is we are doing? Displacement just you see. 4 minus 6 equal to minus 2 will come. Why this opposite direction we are showing? We are showing this is a to B 4 meter. Then it is coming back B to C. It is a B to C. B to C 6 meter. So displacement, that is I told actually, displacement minus 2. What is the distance will come? 4 plus 6 equal to 10 meter will come. Distance will become 10 meter. In this case actually distance will become 10 meter. Displacement is minus 2. When 0 will come, which position body started? Same position is coming back to reach. Come back to reach. This position, suppose this position it is. This position. A to B, then B to D I am giving you. So this is 4 meter. Otherwise, you are throwing any object, you are throwing the stone from ground. So this body actually, stone actually going up. It is a 4 meter height. Then it is coming back to 4 minus 4, 0 will come. When body started from original position, again it is coming back, reach back to the same position, 0 will come. So now, so displacement will be 0. Have you understood? So this is the first diagram. This is the first diagram. The value will become minus 6. This is minus 6. Listen carefully. Then body is moving in this one. You are throwing a stone and the stone is going up. It is covering a 4 meter height. Again it is coming back. The stone actually coming back. So here what will happen? Displacement 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So distance is always positive. Displacement may be positive. Positive, this example you can say. Another second one, 0. This is you are throwing a stone upward direction. It is moving up 4 meter. It is coming back, traveling back 4 meter. So 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Okay. So how negative value is coming? Negative value diagram here I given. It is traveling A to B, then B to C. B to C. So it is a minus 2 meter will come. Distance is 4 plus 6 equal to 10 meter. Here in this case, what is the distance? 4 plus 4 equal to 8 meter. Any problem? Have you understood? Okay, this is second point. This is a second point. Distance is always positive. Okay, displacement may be positive, negative or 0. So positive value, this example you can take A to B traveling. So say one single particular direction. So maybe it may be a plus 4 meter. Negative, this is this example for this is a negative. Okay, just you see, this is example for second one. This is also example for second one. This is also example for second one. Just to note down. Body is started from the ground, throwing up. It is going to 4 meter. Again it is come back 4 meter. So here I written displacement is 0. Distance is 8 meter. Distance is 8 meter. So this is about second point. Third point, the distance can be 0 if the distance is not 0. Can be 0. How it can be 0? Can be 0, we can say this is this example. We can see, we can say this example. Just you see, I am going to rub displacement these things. Can be 0, how you can say it is can be 0? So this is we can say can be 0. Just to see, body is going upward 4 meter, again it is coming back, linear motion we can say. So this is a displacement will be 0. Distance is 8 meter. The body moving in a circular path. This is also, so A position is given. A position is given, body actually moving, again it is coming back. Just you see, this is a center, this is 2 meter. 2 meter. So we can calculate distance and displacement. When the body started from A, again it is reaching. Again it is reaching. So distance is distance circle, it is a circle, area of the circle, area circumference of the circle. So we can say distance is 2 pi r. R value is a radius you can apply, you can get, otherwise 2 pi r, 2 into pi. So it is a 4 pi value you people know. Pi value is 3.1 or 22 by 7 we can apply. 22 by 7 we can apply. So this will be the distance. Body start from a complete circle, again it will reach. So displacement will be 0. Displacement will be 0. These two cases, just to see these two cases, this case and this case. Body moving in a circular path, complete circle. It is also displacement will be 0. Here also displacement will be 0. Distance actually 2 pi r. 2 pi. Another one example. Semicircle we are taking. Semicircle. Here also this is 7 meter we are taking. 7 meter. A to O. Here actually shortest distance in this diagram, circular path, where is the object started, A position, again it will reach A position. Okay, so here displacement will be 0. Here also, in this case also, displacement will be 0. Here semicircle. Here half of the circle. So it is a circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Now you see distance, the half, no? So you can write half into 2 pi r. Half into 2 pi r, here you give a 2 meter only. This 2 cancel. What is the value will come? 2 pi meter. 2 multiplied with this number, 3.14, and this number will come. Okay. So what will be the displacement? What will be the displacement? So shortest distance we can say, A to B. A to B, body actually moving from this A to B this way and this way. Displacement is the shortest distance from initial point to final point. Initial position to final position. So it is a 2 meter plus 2 meter, it will become 4 meter. It will become 4 meter. So this distance will be more only, girls. How, just to see? 2 into 3.14. This will be the 8 to 6. So here answer will come 6.28 meter. That is I told. Always distance is larger. Displacement is smaller only. Here we studied the magnitude of the displacement less than the distance. We can write the differences between distance and displacement. Okay. Now in the book, which book you are following, just to see, differences are given. Okay. I am going to complete this session, but once again we will see distance, this entire path, displacement, shortest distance, unit both are having same. The magnitude of the displacement either equal, the body moving from one position to another position, some same direction. So both are displacement distance getting same value. Second one, distance always is positive. Displacement may be positive, negative, 0. So positive we can say this is positive. Same direction it is traveling. This will become positive value. This diagram is negative value. A to B it is traveling, then B to C it is coming. B to C. One direction considering is a positive, opposite direction negative we are taking. So 4 minus 6, so minus 2 meter will come. So 0 condition, what is the 0? So I have given an example this. When you are throwing an object upward direction, again it will come back. 4 meter, 4 meter, 4 minus 4, 0 will come. But distance is 8 meter. Okay. Third one, actually the displacement can be 0. So this is for the displacement can be 0. But even though distance is never 0. Distance never be 0. Distance is there. So here the body the circular path. Circular path, you can write circular path. Okay. So here displacement will be 0, but distance is 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle. Circumference, not distance means what? Don't think it is a formula. It is given circumference of the circle. This is a path, no? That is a distance actually. The body travel entire length of the circle. Okay. So it is 2 pi r. So 4 pi meter. The pi value I given 3.14 or 22 by 7. 22 by 7. Right? Next actually, semicircle I given. Semicircle. Body moves in A position to B position. This is a semicircle. So distance, half of the circumference of the circle. 2 pi r is a circumference of the circle. So that's why half into 2 pi r. So just to see distance value will come 6.28. Distance will come shortest distance. 2 plus 2. It is a radius, girls. AO is a radius. Write down radius. Radius is a AO is a radius. AB is a diameter. 2 times of radius is known as diameter. 2 times of radius. 2 plus 2. Here I am mentioning just to see. 2 plus 2 equal to 4 meter. So you people already studied what is radius, what is diameter. So it is circle means, so this half of the portion AO is a radius, AB is a diameter. AB is a diameter. This 25 previous one, triangular path one. So this is about. Okay, I am going to complete my session, this session. But physics is not too much tough, little tough. You put a effort, practice daily, it is not a problem. So that's why you have to learn and write. Always whenever studying, you learn it, memorize it, then you can write. 2, 3, 4 times you have to write. Okay. Thank you.